Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create desktop shortcuts for your Steam games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Steam application on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the Steam client opens, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there and you'll want to click on Library. This will take you to your complete collection of games, making it easy to find the one you want quick access to. Now, in the left panel of your library, you'll see a list of all your installed and available games. Browse through this list and locate the game you want to create a desktop shortcut for. Once you've found it, right-click on the game title. This will open a context menu with several options related to that specific game. When the context menu appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Manage. You'll notice that hovering over Manage reveals a submenu with additional options. From this submenu, click on Add Desktop Shortcut. This action tells Steam to create a quick access icon for this game directly on your desktop, allowing you to launch it without having to open Steam first. The shortcut will be created instantly in the background. Steam processes this request immediately, so there's no waiting period or additional confirmation needed. The icon is now sitting on your desktop, ready to use whenever you want to jump into your game. To confirm that the shortcut was successfully created, minimize or close your Steam window and navigate to your desktop. Look for the new game icon among your other desktop items. You should see it displayed with the game's logo or artwork, making it easily recognizable. Now you can simply double-click this shortcut anytime you want to play, and it will automatically launch Steam if it's not already running and start loading your game. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a desktop shortcut for your Steam game, giving you faster access to your favorite titles without navigating through the Steam library every time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.